Whoa. Dang, 20th floor. Welcome to hotel number 2, the Omni Dallas Hotel in none other than Dallas, Texas. And we're gonna give you a little room tour of what we have going on here. So first of all, our little kitchen nook. We have a Keurig, we have a little box that opens, and all types of fun coffee and tea. And then of course some waters, a fridge, and a safe. Wait, I don't think I've ever been to a hotel where a safe is needed. And now the bathroom. This just looks like a normal bathroom, right? Like you're doing your makeup, you're getting ready for the day, but oh wait, what is this remote for? A TV in the bathroom attached to the mirror? What kind of world do we live in, people? Okay, can you turn off?
This is the off button, not the on button.
Oh, right, you're right. Okay, and then of course, if you're doing your makeup, you get this nice mirror. Oh, I'm guessing it turns on. Oh, it does. Oh, maybe, oh, look at that. And then you get to see all of your flaws. Toilet, basic toilet. But my favorite part, the shower. I was like, what is this thing called? The shower is huge. You just, wait, does this not close?
No, it's like a big one that like just...
Oh, so it's like for fancy people who don't need to actually close their
they just let water go everywhere when you're fancy.
Oh my gosh, okay.
This half of our room is just as cool, if not better. So we have this super cool rectangle light for starters, massive TV over here on this side with a desk to work at. We have king size bed, of course, our little reading lights, fun artwork we have up here, some fancy lights and fancy tables, and then obviously the best part, we're on the 20th floor, so you know we get a huge view of the city with these floor-to-ceiling windows. Not floor-to-ceiling windows, floor-to-ceiling windows. We saw this hotel in our exploration yesterday when we were walking around, but now we actually get to be in it, but it is a very nice hotel.
We found a downside of being at a fancy hotel.
Everything's expensive.
Everything's expensive. 2 bags of chips like this and a chocolate bar, you'd think would be under $10 or like under $8. $16. $2 small bags of chips and a chocolate bar was $16. She said the number and I was like, ugh.
After going out to a lot of restaurants eating fries and burgers, we wanted something healthy, and we found near the Omni this place called Freshii. They have bowls and salads and wraps, so we're gonna go check them out. They're only like 0.4 miles away, I think. So we're gonna walk there, maybe see some sights on the way, eat some fresh food.
Freshii is a chain restaurant, and here I got the Mediterranean bowl and Josh got the Fiesta salad with a strawberry banana smoothie. This was nothing that wowed us flavor-wise, but it did fill our need for something a bit more fresh.
We're at the AT&T Discovery District, and we're inside one of the buildings, and they have these comic book characters like lit up on these LED panels that cover all of the walls.
At this point, we needed to get a few groceries for the few days we spent here, so we stopped at a small grocery store called Berkeley's Market. While this market is small, it has all the essentials you'll need if you're spending less than a week in Dallas.
Joy Macaroon's Macaroon ice cream sandwich. Have to get a dessert. Cold. Well, that's really good. I like macaroons. The macaroon I think is like strawberry, and it goes with the cookies and cream kind of nicely actually.
What is this called? Joy Macaroons? in ice cream form. Who would have thought? It's a perfect combination. Well, good morning. Josh has officially started his convention this morning, which means I'm going to be alone all day. And while I am working, there are some fun things that I could go do myself during my lunch hour, at 4 when I'm done. Josh doesn't probably come back until around 5, and at that, he might even be going out to dinner tonight without me. So I get to show you guys around the hotel a little bit, and then Josh and I can do an official tour later. For now, I'm going to drink my vanilla iced latte from the Omni Hotel coffee shop called Morsels. Ooh, now why would they put the granola at the bottom? That's my only question. Can't really get to it. Well, I have been working all morning and I absolutely have to use the gym here. I'm probably not gonna do like an intense workout, maybe a little walk, a little arm movement. But other than that, I'm just gonna check out the gym space while Josh is still at his convention. I don't think I've ever been so excited to go to the gym before. This is what traveling looks like with Josh and Erica. Except I will say that Josh's side is a whole heck of a lot worse than this. Let's do this. I gotta show you guys this gym. Has everything you could ever ask for and more. It's ice cold, exactly what you want after a quick little walking workout. Oh wow, let's go over here. Back to work for me. I'm gonna refill my water. Thank you. $2003. I was wondering if I was able to order something. Okay, perfect. I will go check those out and call back. I'm looking at the wrong menu. Hi, could I order room service? Could I get the garden salad from the owner's box? Thank you so much. Bye. Ooh, I guess I just get like a knock on the door and then they just bring it to me and then I get it and then I eat it. I guess that would be the process. My salad has been delivered. You can't see that at all, I'm sure of it. Smells good. I can always tell if a salad's gonna be good by the vinaigrette. It's not bad so far. Not bad. I mean, it's not the best salad I've ever had, but I'm certainly going to eat this entire thing. Good morning. I'm back with Josh for a little bit, about an hour this morning. Where are we?
We're at Texas Spice, which is the hotel in the, which is a restaurant in the hotel.
Texas Spice is one of quite a few restaurants within the hotel itself. Here I got their breakfast burrito and Josh got a yogurt parfait. The rest of our day pretty much looked like the day before until the evening when we finally got what everyone has to have when they are in Texas: which is barbecue. When we were coming to this hotel, our Lyft driver highly recommended the Pecan Lodge as one of the best barbecue places in Dallas, and it did not disappoint.
So I was gonna say before this, the best barbecue I had was at Red State Barbecue, which you saw on our Kentucky trip. If not, go watch that video.
Which was in Lexington, Kentucky.
I'm not sure which one was better, only because Red State Barbecue was all about the sauces. This one was all about the meats. The meats were smoked and seasoned, definitely the best I've ever had, and then they just fell apart. I got a brisket sandwich, which was just perfect. The bun was so buttery. It was just what you wanted on a brisket sandwich.
And I got something that I normally wouldn't order at a restaurant or even really eat in general, but because I saw that their ribs were some of the best that everybody has talked about, I had to try the ribs. So I got the pork ribs and with the side of the mac and cheese. And I will say the ribs were so delicious. They fell off the bone so easily. Like, you hear that all the time with barbecue until you're actually there and it's cooked right and it's cooked to perfection. I didn't even need to use a knife. I just took my fork and put it on the meat and it just fell right off. My ribs were smoky and the barbecue sauce was exactly what you want on a slab of ribs. Everything you want in barbecue and more.
Where are we going?
We obviously got coffee. We are inside a hotel called The Jewel, and in their lobby they have a coffee shop called The Weekend. It doesn't look as cool as the other one that we got earlier this week, but it tastes really good. I got a iced latte with honey. It's pretty sweet, which is good.
And I got a vanilla iced latte. It's very sweet. Not the best coffee I've ever had, but definitely satisfies my coffee needs. The Omni Dallas Hotel has 23 floors overlooking the city. It has beautiful modern decor, a gym equipped with everything you need that you saw earlier, multiple restaurants to choose from, a coffee shop, a spa, and an infinity pool and hot tub that you'll see soon.
This is the skywalk to the convention center because there's a convention center attached to the hotel, which is kind of the whole reason we're here. But the convention center is huge.
One of the restaurants in the Omni Dallas Hotel is the Owner's Box, and it's kind of like a sports bar situation. So I ordered a chicken sandwich, very basic I know, but that's what sounds good to me, and Josh ordered the Caesar salad, and we ordered a ranch pretzel as an appetizer, which should be coming out very soon.
We got the jumbo pretzel. It's here. It looks incredible. It's huge. It has a lot of different seasonings on it. It looks like Parmesan cheese or maybe some flaky salt, but it smells amazing and it is huge. Pulling it apart, there's just this nice crunch on the outside. Oh my gosh. It almost doesn't taste like a pretzel. It's more like garlic bread. It's like a garlic knot. But that is dang good. Yeah, it's definitely salt. And I think some garlic. But with the ranch, I would not have expected it, but that is incredible. See if you can hear the crunch.
Just outside these doors is the most scenic and beautiful pool view we've ever seen. Come with us and we're gonna show you this view. Behind me is a heated infinity pool with a hot tub attached to the pool, which is also an infinity hot tub. All together with this amazing view of Dallas. Could we ask for anything better? We were not planning on getting in the pool today, but being out here, seeing the pool, I would feel so guilty not going in. So we're gonna go put on our swimsuits. It feels so nice. I'm so glad we got in. Oh my gosh. This is by far the best view I've ever had in a swimming pool. And my first time, I believe, in an infinity pool. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Stay here forever. Are you good with that?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. We're not going home. You good, dude? Josh, what are you doing? The heck was that?